Jesus Gloriani and Maria Isabel Dagatan Gloriani, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Hallelujah!
Wow!
When it feels like my head is underwater, I feel it in my
As
bones.
my wedding gift to you, I got you a pair of On shoes. I hope makatulong para mabawasan ang sakit ng mga paa.
Ito na pang check mo na ang oras pag tinanong ko kung anong oras ka uuwi. Hehe.
Jump in and hold tight. This is forever. Ooh, I've been running right straight to you. Every beat of my heart is true. For the rest of my life, for the rest of my life now, baby. Ooh, for you and every little thing I do. All forever coming through. For the rest of my life, for the rest of my life now, baby.
Iisang panalangin, Panginoon namin, Lord, na sila ay magsama, hallelujah, hanggang sa kanilang huling hininga, Panginoon.
In the more than 6 years we've been together, I feel like we've already known each other all too well. Pero kagaya ng nabanggit ni na pastor ng wedding seminars natin, marami pa rin tayong madidiscover sa isa't isa. Sana di tayo magsasawa getting to know each other, and hopefully kahit matagal na tayo, patuloy pa rin na may sparks fly. Even after 15 or 22 years from now.
I've been running right straight to you. Every beat of my heart is true. For the rest of my life, for the rest of my life now, baby. Ooh, I play you with every little thing I do. All forever coming through. For the rest of my life, for the rest of my life now, baby.
Finally, anak, getting married. God bless you.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Love is lost and love is found.
Sexy. Uy, Daisy! Di ganyan!
Gets you high then
Seryoso, bago ka dumating, akala ko ang buhay ko ay isang malaking blank space. Ngayon, love, everything has changed. You made me fall completely in love. And now, look what you made me do. Ginagawa mo akong madrama sa harap ng mga paborito nating tao, kahit allergic ako sa public speaking.
makes you believe. It spins you round and round, then puts you back.
There were
on
missed
stage.
chances, wrong timing, and heartbreak that at that point in my life felt like the hardest one I'd ever experienced. But somehow our story wasn't over. Years later, our paths crossed again, and this time we were both older, a little wiser, and finally ready for the love we deserve.
With you.
Akala ko, mahal na mahal ko yan. Kaya kayo mag-aasawa na siya. Mas lalo ko silang mamahalin dahil dalawa na sila.
Saya ako, buo pa rin tayong nandito.
Oo.
And ayun, sabi mo nga, madadagdagan pa tayo. So, lalong mas masaya.
Is wrong and love is right. It's a patient heart with tired eyes.
Feeling natin na we're already out of the woods, di pa rin tayo dapat papakampante dahil for sure, there will still be lots of trials ahead of us. Pero kung dumating man ang mga panahong yon, I promise to stand beside you.
But I would do it all. I would do it all.
And every challenge we face only made me more certain that you are the person I want to be beside me for the rest of my life.
promise to celebrate every era of you. I love you and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Mananatili akong tapat sa'yo, forever and always. So love, let the games begin. Are you ready for it?
And you may now kiss the bride.